Nag-check agad ako ng aking Atome app. Dito tayo sa bills. Tingnan natin tong unbilled. Total unbilled amount 0. Ba't kaya ganun? Hindi siya agad nagre-reflect? Nabawasan naman yung credit limit ko. August 2 pa yung due date. Tapos wala pang amount. Paano kaya natin isi-settle for installment?
You got it going on, I'll be there in a heartbeat. Tell me your favorite song, I'll put it on repeat.
Sinubukan ko ngang gamitin si Atomic Card sa pag-grocery at pamimili ng mga school supplies. Successful naman siya. At pagka-uwi nga namin ng bahay, nag-check agad ako ng aking Atome app. Dito tayo sa bills. Tingnan natin tong unbilled. Total unbilled amount 0. Hindi siya agad nagre-reflect. Pero August 2 ang kanyang due date. Wala pang amount. Manage tayo. Your June bill will arrive on July 21. Kaya wala pang nakalagay na amount. So, depende pala yan sa cut-off ng ating mga card. Kasi yung akin, June 21 to July 20. Kaya yung aking bill ay darating ng July 21. Tingnan natin yung transaction na ginawa natin. 2 beses kong ginamit yung aking card. So, yun yung proof na successful talaga siya. Kaya nabawasan yung aking credit limit. View all natin. Yan yung details kung saang merchant natin siya ginamit. Balik tayo. Hintayin muna natin yung ating billing na dumating para ma-set up natin kung ilang installment gusto natin siyang bayaran. May marireceive naman tayong message or email. July 21, may na-receive na nga akong email. Greetings from Atome. Your Atomic Card bill statement is now ready. Pay in full or confirm the available installment plan in the Atome app. To be eligible for pay in 3, 6, 9 payment plans by 2 August to avoid late fees. Outstanding bill 4,855.90. Bill date 20 July. Due date 2 August. Tapos may note sila, in case you miss the due date, an auto installment plan will be applied to your account. For your convenience, if no payment plan is selected, check out how to do installment here. For more information about payment interest fees and related charges, please refer to your Atome app. Thank you for choosing Atome. Balik tayo kay Atome app. Dapat hindi natin makalimutan na i-set up natin siya sa ilang months natin gustong bayaran kasi magkakaroon nga siya ng auto installment plan. Click natin yung card. Ito na nga yung aking current bill. 4,855.90. Susubok lang yan ha, pero ang laki na. Bills tayo. Click natin pay now. Ito na yung payment plan. Meron akong 3 months or 6 months na pagpipilian. Siguro dahil bago pa. Pero kung babayaran ko siya ng buo, 4,855.90 pa rin siya. As is. 3 months, 1,909.99. May include fees na 291.36. Tingnan natin tong 6 months. Click natin yung 6 months. So, 1,100.68. Include fee na 291.36. Click natin yung 6 months. Monthly yung includes fee niya na 291.36. Hindi siya zero interest. Kahit mag 3 months tayo, ganun pa rin naman yung kanyang include fees. Nagtanong ako kay Atome regarding dito, nag-email ako. So may note na once confirmed, the payment plan cannot be changed for the current bill. Hindi na natin pwedeng palitan kapag na-confirm na natin yung payment plan. Kung okay na, nakapili na kayo, confirm payment plan. Ayan, na-confirm na. InstaPay repayment may experience delay and may not be reflected in real time. Alternatively, you may select OTC, EasyPay through GCash, and PayMaya. So, marami naman sila mga payment method na pwede nyong pagpilian. Available methods nila, bank transfer, e-wallet, over-the-counter, additional method, card, pwede. July 30, nag-decide na akong bayaran siya ng mas maaga kasi baka mamaya hindi siya agad mag-update. Baka late posting or hindi agad mag-reflect. Ito pala yung mga payment method nila. Bank transfer. Ayan, ito yung instruction. Tapos ito yung supported InstaPay member. Balik tayo. E-wallet. Yan, alam na natin yan. May GCash at saka PayMaya. Tapos over the counter. Yan, yung pwede tayo, kung saan tayo pwede magbayad. Yung mga 7-Eleven, Cebuana, yan, mga ganyan. Lahat ng nandito sa baba. Balik tayo. Bills. Click Pay Now. Bill payment. InstaPay repayment may experience delays and may not be reflected in real time. Alternatively, you may select OTC, ECPay, True GCash, and PayMaya for bill payments to ensure timely processing and avoid late payments. Hindi ko pa na-try itong OTC, ECPay. GCash ang gagamitin kong method. Select natin ang GCash. Meron siyang repayment processing fee na 20 pesos 36. Kaya ang total na babayaran ko ay 1,121.04. May processing fee pa talaga, no? So magkano yun sa 6 na buwan? Pumapatak din ng 122.16. Confirm payment na tayo. Ayan, login to pay with GCash. Syempre yung mobile number na gamit natin sa ating GCash account. Next na tayo. Hintayin natin yung OTP na isi-send. So yun, enter lang natin yung OTP. Then next, login to pay with GCash. Enter your PIN. Then next, review lang natin yung details para sure. Pay. Tingnan natin kung magpo-posting siya agad, kung magre-reflect yung ating payment. Okay, payment successful. Back to bills tayo. Check natin kung pumasok ba. Your June bill is paid. Your July bill will arrive on 21 August. So, nag-posting naman siya agad. Successful, kaya nadagdagan yung aking available spending limit. Tumaas na ulit siya. So, ito yung June bill, paid naman ang nakalagay. Unbill tayo. Kung gusto mo naman siyang bayaran ng buo para matapos na agad, pwede naman. Kasi matagal din ng 6 months. Ito yung pay early niya. Sa message, meron din naman silang confirmation na successful yung ating payment. Ito naman ang sagot ni Atome regarding sa 40 days 0% interest rate daw nila. Kasi yung akin, hindi naman siya zero interest. So meron siyang mga cut-off na pinapaliwanag.
Driving round with my baby, top drops and raindrops, motion got me all faded.